In Millennials and Money, we are celebrating Women's History Month with what else? A look at women and money. Lorna Kapusta, the head of Women Investors and Customer Engagement at Fidelity Investments, is with us now. And what can you tell us about women and investing?
Well, historically, what we've seen is that women have not taken as many steps to invest as male counterparts. But what's great is that is changing, and we're seeing more women now, more than ever, take those steps to do more, to make their money work harder, and it's particularly young women.
How much money are people missing out when they do not start early? And you can actually start with just $50 per month.
So we have a great chart to share that really brings it to life. In fact, I wish someone had shared this with me 20 years ago. And so if you look at this chart, what you see is someone who starts at the age of 25 and contributes just $50 a month and invests it with an assumed 7% rate of return, which is based on historical performance. At the age of 67, that money has the potential to grow to $144,000, which is off of a base amount of about $25,000. So that's 5 times the amount. If you actually start at the age of 40 in comparison, that same $50 a month, same assumed rate of return, you will end up with about $46,000, $16,000 in that base contribution. So that's still good. But what it really shows is the earlier you start, the better. And you can start with small amounts and you take advantage of compounding and then the potential growth.
Tell us about some of the ways that young women are investing, where they want to put their money. And it might not be where mom and dad would invest.
Yeah, particularly young women are very focused on their purpose. And I think we're seeing 2 things. Number one is that purpose is about what's important in their life or the goals that they're trying to achieve. And then the second, to your point, is that they are really looking to help the environment. And the great thing is you can do both at once. And what our Fidelity data shows is that women are directing a higher proportion of their total investment to what we call ESG products, which are products that offer environmental, social, and governance options. And so it's really about getting access to potential growth, but then helping the greater good. It's a great double benefit.
Explain how to start small with dollar-based investing.
So the first thing that we say, if it's new to you, is to get involved in the conversation. And ways to do that are to take advantage of available free resources, which many women and young women are today. At Fidelity, for the month of March, we are celebrating Women's History Month with a series of events, workshops, and resources, bringing together Fidelity experts as well as external guests. And so I encourage everyone to join, as it is free for all. And then in addition, we have year-round resources available through our Women Talk Money community, where everyone can join. We have real conversations, address live questions, and really help with actionable steps so that everybody can begin investing with as little as they'd like. You can actually go to fidelity.com/women and gain access to both of those opportunities.
Well, thank you for all of this great information.
Thank you for having me. Really enjoyed it.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.